Breaking news. This morning, an ambush happened along the Juba road. 3 people were killed and several others were injured. The Juba road is one of the busiest highways in South Sudan, connecting the capital Juba with Bor town in Jonglei state. Many traders, travelers, and transport companies use this road daily. Attacks on this road are not new. Over the past few years, army groups and bandits have carried out similar ambushes targeting vehicles or robbery or revenge. 8 times lives are lost and communities are left in fear. This morning's incident show again how unsafe major highways are. Families are mourning and survivors are injured and travelers remain in shock. Authorities are yet to give an official statement on who was behind the attack. We will keep following this developing story and bring you updates. We have another sad story. 30 deaths in cattle raiding between Nirol and Ayut. According to the local community, on October 7, 2025, Nirol vs. Ayut. This report from Radio Tamazuch. According to the report, they say local leaders are sounding the alarm after deadly cattle raiding violence between the Gawer Nuer community in Ayut County and the Low Nuer community in Nirol County. Last week, youths from Pading Payam in Nirol attacked a cattle camp in Ayut. They raided cattle and the clash left many people dead. According to Commissioner Peter Gatkot Kwang of Nirol, as PLM-IO appointed, he said the attacker killed 18 Low Nuer youths and all the stolen cattle were recovered. But fear remains as Ayut youths may strike back in retaliation. Commissioner Gatkot accused government officials of playing a role in the violence, saying the attack was politically motivated to destabilize Nirol. Nirol Information Director Bodjal confirmed that 30 Low Nuer youths were killed and 10 others were captured alive. He warned that Ayut youths could push further into Pading, spreading the conflict into villages. From the other side, Ayut Commissioner James Choljek reported that his community lost 19 youths and 10 were injured. 19 youths were dead during the incident. He confirmed fighting is still ongoing in the bush. This is not the first raid. A few weeks earlier, Nirol youths also raided cattle from Ayut Shebong area. Now with this deadly revenge, the cycle of violence continues. This fighting shows a dangerous trend. Cattle remain central to wealth and survival. Community respond with army use. The government struggle to control revenge killing. Families on both sides are grieving while survivors live in fear of the next raid. Withdrawal of SPLMIO forces raised tension in Abyei area. The Abyei area in Alal County, Abyei administrative area, is facing new instability after SPLMIO force suddenly withdraw from their bases. This withdrawal happened last night in several locations on October 7, 2025. The withdrawal happened last night in several locations. One, Athony in Alal County in Abyei, Agok in Rum Amir County in Abyei, Ajakwach in Twitch County, that is Warab State, Biemkat in Ruweng administrative area. These forces move into the bush, leaving behind fear and uncertainty. Soon after, gunfire was reported from regular SSPDF soldiers in Athony, showing that the area is far from calm. Observers believe this move may be connected to the ongoing trial of Dr. Riek Machar in Juba, raising questions about whether SPLMIO is repositioning itself for political or military reasons. So far, report confirmed dozens of dozens of deaths and injuries, though exact numbers are still unclear. Families in Abyei are caught in the middle, once again facing displacement and insecurity. A new army group has announced itself, saying they were forced to rise because peace and election in South Sudan have failed. They accuse IGAD of betraying Dr. Machar, forcing him back into Juba, where dictatorship still rules. This new group is linked to the Red Bell faction known as Abyei. Their first major action was largely attack against an SSPDF-based garrison in Abyei. The emergency of this group is significant. It shows that when peace agreements are delayed and promises are broken, new rebel movements rise up to challenge the government. For communities on the ground, this means more fighting, more displacement, and more fear. By Defense Force, community take protection into own hand. On October 2nd, 2025, the people of Abyei announced the creation of the by Defense Forces. According to community leader, the government has failed to protect them from attacks, so they decide to protect themselves. The Abyei force is described as a community self-defense army. Their goal is not explanation, but their goal is not expansion, but survival and security of the Ngok people in Abyei. Analysts warn that this shows a bigger trend in South Sudan. Whenever the people feel abandoned by the state, they form militias. This only makes the conflict landscape more complex and more dangerous. The Abyei group released a powerful declaration. They called themselves the Abyei, the Shell Warrior Army of Kirko. In their message, they said they fight to defend their land and people. Their war is not a revenge, but a fight for justice, peace, and dignity. They call on unity and courage, reminding everyone that compassion and reconciliation should remain part of their journey. Their words are meant to inspire their community, but also to send a warning to enemies and the government. The Ngok people will not remain defenseless, they say. Today we have seen these news showing how fragile South Sudan remain. On the highway like Juba Road, ambush continued to kill and injured innocent traveler. In the village of Jonglei, cattle raiding has killed 30 people and many sparked even more revenge attack. In Abyei, SPLIO force have withdrawn, leaving civilians afraid of what comes next. A new rebel group linked to Abyei has already attacked government forces, and the Abyei Defense Force has risen, saying they will defend themselves where the government has failed. These stories paint a picture of nation still searching for peace, justice, and safety in the crossfire. This message is clear: without trust, without protection, and without real peace, South Sudan cycle of violence will continue. Biakamal Guasame, Joban Linguasame, breaking news, Michitwalk. Men yama bana lingwasame ni gor kon bantin kon charen lat re wich ka South Sudan bana ka linka jan gwasame mi jira ma jidid gore jin bi na me bi nywa ne ko ken jo ban lingwasame ke jan gwaron wangan pai we chala do ne ne cha ne cha na te jel ka duop cha ka nyuraka cha ne dang diok cha kan nak bor la Juba Road jan gwa dana cha na cha kam bustin cha ne diok cha kan nak ka ne tu ngwan te cha moy ka bot eno en gwa dan chi ke tokten. Juba Road jan business highway mitene wala kan jel ka jashit ka torbieli rewi ka South Sudan jan ko capital Juba ko je connect ka Boton ka Jonglei state nyokan wenamo la jinya gasatan wan la tradery kan jal do la kan jel ka jan gwasamo many transport companies neten kontila company tin kon la jel no la kan jel ka jan do mo nishang en do ba chana cha kan na ka jada do bwana me wa ka kor runte pai we kin te pai bane wa te ka group chor real ka gwadu la na la ka mega wana me jen the same thing e chi kontu gwami mo la ken be ko la ken ka target bi kana bi ken kana ka mai kana da do en boro do mone Juba Road jen gwada na ken te ngwantin long ka jen gwaron wanga me gwad pai we chara do chicken the same thing kan nyokol ne chicken na chicken nek ne diok ne te ngwandi kan ka moy ka boten mulo and drop and right now right corner Juba boro chi chagwa ka jal ngay corner ring di long shui na da dom tishit ka te ka kuma marai ka kirma yadi te no tela mal magor no biben shui na gwana di al che ma shalin ka boro do shine dang dok chi ka lutin ere gwadamone ne ti sha nyur ka nyor ne ka shi o kan te ka ring mi kana lat nyor ne ka bas cha yu nyur ka cha ne dok cha yu nak an wana mone na me be long ma de yana ling chana racha ka la radian me be gwas me gwad me shane de choko jandang diok sha connectin kor me kor kam no re karodian kenyirol kana yot me be long no de no de rodian na karodian ne de jandang diok washi kliu re kormo kam nyirol kana yot chalad no ci korcha tuok gwada danen tenna te ka ngwan de jien bana je link kalo de gwana me ko na me lia kam no recordien ne de jendang dok ti chiliu no kwarten tere wucin bina mi kanyirol kana yo cikala do ne ti korche to gwan me shaok cha ko kwalten kam ga wer nwer community kana yot ka yot kanti kana lo nwer community kanyirol kanti laga wer nwer community ka yot kanti kan cha ka ma lo nwer community use kanyirol kanti gwan mi mo chala den do misit kana me wa politic ne de tie wa sha ka gup ke cha mo ke yo kuma kirmi yadi ke jo na shalat ke ja Allah espele haji chikan ngani kan mo ke yo chingwani chi ke jien chikana chikan ko na ke chikan ok chikan kanang ko jo chalat ka kor jog me pai wo chi kor pon mi chene me chana jeling ngani wa tijien ka padding payam kanyirol wa chikan na chikan ka ta ka ketel kem ka yot wa chu kanok tu ngwan long chu kan kanang ka chu kan et ngwan chu kan ka nak ka jen koromo ki chene ngwan chik lutin according to Commissioner Peter Gatkot Kong of Neural SPLIO appointed la Commissioner Peter Gatkot Kong general kel ko kuma SPLIO but take Neural county la report me non ka je radio tamazuch jikan lat ke chanolien kenene akani shukur chatwok jan wuri shalka mo Commissioner Peter Gatkot Kong Kanyirol County chala do kur mo chatwok kenya mga jeno Commissioner Peter Gatkot Kong aran kuma SPLIO ajan cha de kwanya laran kuma SPLIO ajan kur mo chatwok ne cha ngani dangwal badda kalo nwer use cha kanak ne wal badda kan wanen lonwer community lonwer use cha kanak re kur mo netin contingent doro shalke Kanyirol County jen gwad kapading payam jen gwadan jen katin chukan ne kon were kon ta kayut no chukan ko makan winami wa shagan ne wal badak no wa ne to ko wa ok dial kon jikan ka nang wa cha nyo ko mulo ka jok ngwane tin content ka yud use ala ngwane were ban ka yud use ban nyok commissioner gar kos no she kume kirma yadi ta la government official she la do kanitin content jakob korum to ke bana bikaliu jenna me politically motivated kanitin content yar kamal kanyirol kana yut ka do badana chikan ngani gana ko gaje no jokano kano yen we are maga yut ka we are kana o ken kana jawona me reg me bejalong chinyirol information minister ke director bodjal chela do ne chawone pengne dial condition yu kane jandang dok kalo nwer use jenene dangwel chaga kaf no chane dangwel chaga kaf ne dangwel ka ngwane lo nwer anyok jene ne ro chaga kaf te lo ka yut anyok jene ka ngwane ayut ka jo dan chalat tin ka panding wa gwe jen obuko kor ngwane tin kontila ngwane nyirol ka jo chalat gwase me ayut commissioner Jim Chol Jack no ajene cha ne dangwal bangwan cha kana ka ayut la ngwane ayut kane dangwal bangwan ka ngwane lonwer community kane tin kon kane ti chogwal badak cha na gone lo queen kendi aldo kon jikir me kane jandang dok wi badak tema ka ta dana chalat keje kane well titika bot na fik dire me kan wer liw kan lora banka kwi wo kan wo kuma ke jako bikan wer bikan ka ko no ne wal badak lonwer community ne wal bangwan ka ga wer kane well ka titika bot be je long kana mene shigala do kur me chod lat no ka wangu da kur jatin ba ka jodan tikan lat keja Ken me chi jen koranyam ka jo dan chalat ko kor jong te pai wa neural use wa ji kan ok gan ka wo pe ka yot dor shal ke shel bong area and when money shu ko tu mani gan nan ka nyok chu na chu gluten bon alo jen do badan no koru ken ka jen re wichin gini mi ngai kone dungo ka jena benijan but very important thing gwasmen bia nang eneme wa political motivated do mi motivated content quick mi yadi chikana goro no biken ne kon ngane weren kon ka yotin jel kel ka mo ko tut biken ka mak na me je report ana chanong radio tamazu ka chali ngane di album ka chi kan boss commissioner ka youth commissioner je met chol jek ka ramadan en la commissioner ka commissioner dung nirol la Peter gat kot kwang shikan la do ti diara ti ka ti jek ti be ba ti tuong ne jandang dok shika liu ne wal badde ku jeme ka ne wal bangon ku jeme ka jibwana tongwan cha jo mo cha jalat embe be jelong lo mi chena me jaga na ko banate ka korong wan ke banate ka list wan so na me be dung me dong shukume che chuta ka malan teme te liam de la tuok ko de kan community de kan ka ko na me jena lalat ken na chinyin kamiken gojo ne jisial ne ti gor kan muku ka benefit you know ka makwai tut go ne jeno de reng mat char de jelun ajen muku kana ku kan ko ko chi ka fel ko de kan makwai tu de kan mo ka yo na me mugor liang de ne dial de kan linka ta dan an che to ka je te kon ka lero dien ban lingwa semene lero dien ban lingwa seme no bala ri ka dan che to gwal mi shala tene go ne la kuma spela yo force awa ken chika jien dor chalka ton ka Abyei area ton area ka lal county ka Abyei administrative area wa ken charodian wo ken dia chika rodian withdraw what the la position te konte tikatin chicken de ni ken dia chicken ka wot chika base ni ken kan ga ban pin la what the condition kan ka en kuma spela yo goten content charudin waitin tama ka location ideal ka several location rai wajin wina me ka be wana ka warap wana ka rowen wa ci garudin wai ka dor shalka aton in alal county aton ci garudin waitin ka be kan kuma asfilayo anyok agok in rumbek ci garudin waitin bane kan agok in room Americanti ka be chirin waitin aja kwach ka twitch county ka warab state charodian watch bm cat ka ruwing administrative area charodian watch ka jo chalat gwasme 181 chik dwal ko wachi kanu ka reruop chirin bare ruop on wenmi wanik wodi reruop no wa chwa ko link ka SSPDF base metaka tonyan winimi alo chere kamichi kuma espela yo chikan SSPDF chikana magwada dana tekatin duno tele misha alatin wo mite ne chiliu kiete kane ya muke bod ba chigalan jeno koro mo choda lat mite winimi can all these forces SSPDF can espela yo wachi gorom and when mi ko chine reality tin la dina espela yo sharin wo kan gwadang wan konen chaling gwada mene ka jomo chalat gwasme wa do badanan jen jikuma espela yo kaje gwadan tikitina wa misha konak do badanan loke da kama char kaje rai wech ka Juba jen do badanan tok la kuma espela yo kai li wachi kan men la rode shikana lok kanina me do badanan loke ring ma char kaje jen chakan chele la te kamal mugorke kani do mimo mugorku mno be ka wech ke be powerin be jo ka jo ran jikana lat no akenentem si espela yo sharin chowoj no ko gekejeno connection me ko connect ku ma espela yo mandan mentere wiki Juba ka ku kwaren dana chayen ala da ma charge jo ma charge la da ken so far chala do china tik lutin but kan pe ga dana chiliu kanalat gwadan chikor che tokten kam espela yo kene de na SSPDF no re wichin winimi katon cha jo ma charge lat na me de yana link an go tikor tikten Jordan gwas men bia nyok kamiling jene bana roch no kamido dien mishitwok gwada me mishidwa twok tine kam nenten content chal ke te chal ke tid by wa pera kan men chal ke red bell group ka atonyen wineme waken chike kume SSPDF chikana magala base dien wa en group jadid me chalated by tene jangten ka joran chalat ka ja wa ken ni wa quarter kana ke SSPDF base e ku election ga ko shi kuma kin yadid isha fail ko let kan election ci ji gad boken ci kin ji gari kan galat reka dan te kan go kan wen da kan ma charo ne ano jo ka ma charo no jin wer ka juba ka ci kana bugor no kan ngai kan no kir chamal che jogor an group me wajen chere ke red bell faction chere ke red bell jen chwale tid by wajen chicken SSPDF base garrison ka ton ka be chicken mak lo chicken yan match jen do badana chala no walet kana me ko kan wagui kana no cikum South Sudan chamal che goro jen do badana dong me kan SSPDF ko je wa kan kwaja foreman mishal ke tid bayene la tid by force wa kan kwaja form ko bika community dien bikana gang tid by defense force jena community protection force me gang ne ten kontin la jiddo arin ka joran chikana lat batini ngum ku kan base SSPDF la ma ka jama wa ti ka tan wan lat Corodian by the way wa men yam wajan kwaje form ka changaro ka faiwal wankin dangro jan dangro wi de jen mishal ka tid by ka Abyei chukala do ne shi kan tid by defense force kana chak ka tara ni kalat ka jabarawa dor gula ten won but kan kana kula declare according to community leader kanashi kuma South Sudan SSPDF chika fail ko bikan community bikan protect ka kuji mo chika should decide no bikan mo ka protection force mo bika gang ala gang ken community dien ka Abyei winemi tid by defense force jen ka jang Corodian can a community self defense and their goal is not to expansion again chika na go rote ka gwa buga na joiten but can gang can gwa dan te ten Corodian can it ti wa ke ngok people ka Abyei most of them work ngok people no shawala do ne ware we ke South Sudan tema kan bon diality chit ke jen mishal ka tid bayene wa chaja kona ke red bell chike je ko official by the way ka chike je ka national security service ray which ka bor no lo jel ne ga meken ban ngoda outcome da kan nga je manda le roda but do not tid by watch can SSPDF chikana you match ajen jodan ele roda na me de yana link do bran che to ga ja tid by message jen kan gang ne dora gang ne munda gang ne ne ko kana continue la no ba ka te revenge me bene la no their war is not revenge but a fight for justice, peace and dignity janda ni kan lat kana gang kana mundian chicken go jen o de ka which de kan yan mai ka ta dan en chicken lat ke jam okay chajo mo chajo kone kan mo go de kon dial de kon te ka ngai kamana chalat gwasme e message me jenda na gor ken o de nyaa ya kel ani ban je umru dian biata mal bye.